everyone, it's Kyle Prolux. We've been getting some emails regarding our garage vacuum, if this unit can be used as a car detailer. So in today's video, I'm going to showcase that it can be used as a car detailer. This is my new to me 2000 Ford Explorer. Picked it up for $1,900, has 217,000 miles, and the interior is pretty gross. So we're going to put our garage vacuum to the test along with some other tools, and we're going to make these carpets looking new again. So stay tuned.
Alright, let's give you guys a quick walk around of the interior. As you can tell, floor mats has some gunk on it. Some of the carpet has some stains, along with the carpet around the trim. The seats might just not be savable. They're just gross. Again, dirty floor mats, just stained. So we'll take a look at the trunk. That looks like bleach, so I don't think that's gonna be savable, but there's a mark right there. You know, the trunk's not as bad as the front and rear seats. Take a look at the passenger side real quick, just to show you guys what we're gonna be working with here. See, just stained. See the color difference when you lift up the rear floor mat. You know, the previous owners mechanically took care of it, but the interior kind of didn't save or take care of it in that matter. So we're gonna see if we can bring the interior a little bit back to life. With it being a 23-year-old vehicle, I'm going to imagine that some of these stains are going to be permanent with the rest of the life of this car, but we'll see what we can do. Quickly go over what we got here to work with. So here is the garage vacuum. Normally this is mounted on a wall in a garage, in a shop, but these can easily be detached from the wall mount. The wall mount just has hooks that the garage vacuum slides onto, so you can lift this off. We do have some customers that use this professionally for their detailing business along with mobile detailing. So if your trunk space is tall enough, this bad boy will fit. We don't have any mounting hardware for that, so you're gonna source that on your own. So we got the garage vacuum. For the carpets, you're gonna need to agitate them. So here we have a brush, and then here's a drill brush attachment. I recommend getting these, makes the job a lot more easier. Here we have the 30-foot hose, crevice tool, because we kind of have to vacuum up some areas before we start cleaning the carpets. The extractor tool, handheld sprayer. This will be used for spraying solution onto the carpets. The garage vacuum is a blower as well. You just hook it up to the top exhaust port right here, and you can blow solution out. You can use the handheld sprayer if you just have a spray bottle, fill it with your solution of choice, go to town. And then a drill electric impact. We're going to be showcasing this along with just a handheld brush to show you guys that you can get results out of either one. So with that being said, I'm going to go get an extension cord, hook this bad boy up, and then we'll get the cleaning. Alright, so the garage vacuum's all hooked up. Got the crevice tool connected to the 30-foot crush proof hose. I've already vacuumed this car out. I got it a couple days ago, but always a good thing to remember if you're going to be shampooing your carpets, make sure they're vacuumed off real quick. So I'm just going to quickly go over some spots I missed, and we'll get to shampooing. Alright, so now we're going to hook it up to be a blower. And to do that, all you do is disconnect the hose from the suction port and connect it to the exhaust port. Then lock it into place. Once we got it there, we're going to connect the handheld sprayer with some, I am just using carpet solution. So like when you shampoo your carpets, that's what's in here. It's a 50-50 mixture, half water, half solution. So now when you turn it on, there's going to be air blowing through the hose, and then to dispense the solution, you cover this seep or peephole with your thumb. It'll spray out, and then you can adjust the tip to be a more streamlined spray or like a shower spray. So get you guys set back up right here. I'm going to soak the carpet in solution, let it sit for a minute, and then we'll agitate it with both a brush and drill brush attachment. Alright, so we got that soaked. The more solution the better, because guess what? When you go and vacuum it up, if there's excess water left over in the fabric, it'll dry, so don't have to worry about it. So I think I'm going to start off using just a handheld brush. I think this is for like dishes. This is definitely going to need more elbow grease, but I'm just letting you guys see that it can be done with this. I will probably use a drill brush attachment because it is kind of hot out here and I don't want to be sweating to death, so we'll just start. Alright, I don't think I have the manpower for this, so I'm going to use the drill. This is going to be a lot better. And that is kind of what you want to get. You kind of want it to be foamy. So when you go with the extractor tool, suck it out, it's going to pick up all the dirt and debris and hopefully remove some stains. And make sure you also have some towels to wipe off any interior pieces. So now we got the vacuum hooked back up to be a vacuum, so it's going to have suction, and we're going to go over the area we just shampooed and remove some of that dirty dirt and debris, and hopefully clean these carpets up a little nicer. So just got done doing the driver's side floor mat. It looks a little dark because it's wet, so we'll see the results after it dries. And just a reminder, this is a 23-year-old vehicle I'm working on. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better than it was before. I'm just trying to showcase that our garage vacuum can be used for car detailing. So let's take a look here at the carpet. It looks clean. We'll find out when it dries. A reminder, sorry, microfiber towel. If you're using a drill brush, it's gonna kick dirty foam soap everywhere, so keep this handy. You can wipe your stuff down. So go work on the passenger side, and then I'll probably do the back off camera. We'll see. I don't want this video to be too long, so meet you on the passenger side. Alright, so we're gonna do the passenger side now. As you can tell, like I already stated, got some stains up there, so we're gonna remove the floor mat, quickly vacuum in this area, and then we'll get to cleaning the carpet. microfiber towel. Clean up the interior trim, center console. I don't want gross carpet dirt everywhere. All right. Kind of dark in here, but cleaned up pretty well. Unfortunately, there's this red streak. No idea what that is. Carpets still feel, they're not that damp, a little dry, but that actually worked out pretty well. I'm actually really surprised. All the stains that are up here. Remember, I'll do it before and after, but it worked well. So I'm gonna do the floor mat and then we'll move on to the rear. Battery died. Got a new one. Alright, so just got done doing the whole interior carpet and floor mat wise. So let's do a after. Okay, so here's the driver's side. If you remember, there were some stains up there. Go ahead and remove this floor mat. It looks a lot better than it did. There's still, you know, some darkness right there, but, you know, from what it was compared to before I did all this, it looks a lot better. And also, you can put some tire shine in the handheld sprayer and give your beautiful tires a nice shine. Everyone loves a clean and shiny car. Passenger side looks way better. You can still kind of see like a faint yellow. And like I mentioned, there's this red and yellow streak right there, but you know, this car is 23 years old. Floor mat turned out nice. You got those nice lines in it. Moving on to the rear. Carpets look good. Floor mats though, they're still a little dark, but they are definitely cleaner. You can see there's some darkness right here and at the bottom. This looks like bleach or something, but if you remember, that was just dark and gross. Moving on to the old other side. Same thing. Looks like some burned carpet. It is very stiff. There is some discoloring in the carpet, but once again, this vehicle is 23 years old. Yeah. The last thing to do with any new car you buy, you gotta get a new car scent. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you want to see more content regarding the Prolux wet and dry garage vacuum, comment down in the comment section below or send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. Do you think the garage vacuum is detail worthy? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.